Okay, good afternoon. This is the Cambridge High School live electronics channel. And we've got our little robot circuit here that we're going to design. Um, this, how it basically works is we've got these two switches switching the motors on and off. Um, from your battery pack, you'll get positive and negative through this little plate on the bottom. We have removed the switch that comes with the battery pack over there, and you've just added a black wire to that. So it is actually quite a simple circuit, but you can make it complicated for yourself. What happens is, you can see both motors turn, but if it hits this side, that one will just start turning in a different direction, and the same for this side. So if this, imagine this is put together, these two are driving the robot forward. If it hits something on this side, this motor will turn, so your robot will reverse and get out of that, and the same for that side. So how it all works, if you have to explain this short, you're just changing from the two batteries. So this battery's got the negative on this side, and that battery's got the positive on that side. So the positive with our red wire goes there, and it goes to that switch as well. The negative with the black wire goes there, and it goes to this green wire to there. So normally on the normal state, this will be, I have a connection between there and there. So if I switch these motors on, there will be negative power going to this side of the motor and positive power going to that side of the motor. The moment I hit something, it switches from this one to that one. So I'll have positive power going to this side, changing the direction of the motor. The same for this side. So what I'm doing by pressing these, or if it hits something, I just change the polarity around that goes to the motor. So just quickly to recap that, there is a positive and negative. This positive and this negative is separately joined there, and I've taken them over there. Just remember, guys, it's important because this one is upside down and that one's the right way up. I had to cross these wires over, otherwise I'll create a short circuit. So by pressing at this moment, that there's a connection between that point and that point. The moment I touch this, I change the connection between that point and that point. Then I actually send, at the moment it's got negative and positive, so at the moment it runs off of this battery, so I'll have positive going through the black wires to there, and negative coming through these two colored wires. The moment I touch them, I change the polarity around, so I'll take negative to these two and positive to the other two. It's basically just switches. It just switches the robot on and off. Your task in this case will be to come up, if you want to, have a different circuit, and then we're going to do some testing. After you've done it, we're not going to put hours on this piece of wood. This is just explanatory for how the circuit's laid out. So just quickly, changing the polarity will change the direction the motor turns.
DJ. Lucky Mom.